to draw something amazing? Let's ask AI. I said, draw a kitty with a rainbow wings. Chip beeped and painted magical things. Jaxon asked, what about a dragon car? AI said, boom, it's a superstar. Hey, draw it with AI. Dream out loud. New ideas can wow the crowd. Type a prompt, let colors fly. Anything's possible when you try. I typed, make a robot with a silly hat. Chip drew on the dance with a dancing cat. SKYLAR'S shouted, paint a pizza moon. Chip made it shine like a glowing balloon. Draw it with AA, dream out loud. Paint the sky or a candy cloud. Type a word and watch it appear. Your imagination's the power here. What should we draw next, geniuses? A jellybean rocket? A cookie castle? Let's go, 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 go.